thoroughly completed all of the requirements, the required competency, and the required assessment of housekeeping NC2. I do hereby accept and confirm you all graduates of housekeeping NC2.
Since nagtrabaho na sa hotel, dapat makaingan nyo tong guest. Halimbawa, kung si Sir Rick akong guest. So dapat tarong akong pag-kuhan siya, pag-storya or pag-approach sa kanya.
For the GCAB.
Each other. It was awkward at first because we didn't know each other yet. But little by little, we discovered the same mindset. And you know what it is? Ang painiton ang ulo sa amo ang registrar.
We completed all of the requirements, the required competency, and the required assessment of housekeeping NC2.